What's up, guys? It's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and happy Sunday. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So to kick off this week of deals, I am outside of Walgreens to do some shopping. Now, I kind of fell off with my YouTube videos. I do apologize. I don't know. I've been like in this little funk when it comes to like editing my YouTube videos. It's just, I don't know. I can't even really explain it if I'm being completely honest. But it is a funk that I definitely need and want to get out of. So it's a new week. We shaking it off. Even previous weeks, it's times where I've gone in the store and recorded it and then got home and it never made it to y'all. So I do apologize. I want to be better on that. So like I said, today I'm outside of Walgreens. We're going to do some deals for this week. Now, since it is Sunday, a new week of deals, same coupon spiel as always. Check your accounts. So all the stores you shop at, go into the app, get in the habit of going into your apps on Sundays, going through the apps and clipping your coupons, because one second. All right, I'm back. But yeah, get in the habit on Sundays to go in your apps to all the stores you like to shop in and browse through the coupons and clip them. Just like this previous week with Dollar General, there were a lot of scenarios that I gave out, but people were like, oh, I can't do that because I don't have this coupon, I don't have that coupon, I don't have this coupon. And Dollar General just simply removed a lot of coupons from accounts if they weren't clipped. So don't be that person. Clip your coupon. Same thing with Walgreens. Other stores, honestly, they'll do it. They do it all the time. So always be prepared and clip those coupons. If you see a coupon and you even think for a second you're going to use it, clip it. So yeah, today is a nice day. We got a lot of different deals to take advantage of. I'm going to show y'all deals. Even if I don't do it, I'm going to show y'all. But speaking of Walgreens and their boosters, check your boosters. We got a lot of boosters. Well, my account got a lot of different digital boosters. I got a lot of different ones for candy, for Halloween candy. So if you're trying to stock up for candy for Halloween, because Halloween is next week, do it. There's a lot of different boosters for Halloween candy. I also got some spin boosters. I got a spin 25 get 7, as well as a 25 get 7 on baby products, and y'all know them things will stack. A nice baby deal. I'm really excited. So if you are in need of some pull-ups, Pampers, Huggies, the whole nine, there are some nice little deals that you can take advantage of. Some diaper and / pull-up stock up for this week. But yeah, let me know if you got any boosters. If you did, let me know what boosters you got. I also got a paper booster, a paper 5025. I'm thinking of Dollar General. A paper spin 25 get 7. So it should be a little triple stacking going on in my very first transaction, which I am very excited about. But enough of me rambling. We're gonna go inside, show some deals, do some deals, and be great. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, join the family, give this video a thumbs up, and then if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to drop them down below. I'm also going to get an early start on some Dollar General shopping probably about tomorrow, because this weekend I will not be doing any couponing, so I need all of my stuff to be already recorded and stuff by midweek. So I got a very busy week this week. But yeah, let's go inside and do some deals. All right, guys, so for the first transaction, like I said, it's going to be a quick baby deal, taking advantage of that spin booster for spin 25 get back 7. Again, if you have a regular spin booster, that will also stack as long as you're reaching the higher amount. So say if you have a regular weekly spin 25 get back 7, one way to take advantage of it is to pick up the Pampers that are 2 for $21, buy 2 get back a $4 rush reward. The deal is also giving back Walgreens cash if you do it online, so you can do this in store or online. So check and see your digitals. You may have a $3.50 off of one or a 3 off of 2. So if you go with the 3 off of 2 digital, then you want to also pick up some wipes. Options again, now you could go with 2 of the single packs of Pampers wipes, priced at 2 for $7, and there is a $1.50 off of 2 IVC. But a better deal, in my opinion, would be to pick up this 3-pack of Pampers, regular price at $9.99, and clip that $3 digital coupon. So your total before coupons would be $30.99. After those 2 digitals, it would drop down to $24.99. You would pay that, but then you'll get back $14 of Walgreens cash between both of those spend 25 get back 7, as well as the $4 either Rush Rewards or Walgreens cash, depending on which one you do, making the final cost just $6.99, which is a fantastic deal. Now, option 2, which I think is a better deal, is to pick up a case of the Pampers. Now, they are priced at $33.99, and we do have a $6 store coupon. So even after that store coupon, you are still at the $25 amount. So working with the 2 boosters, a spend 25 get back 7, one for the baby and one for the weekly booster. Again, clip your $3.50 off of one digital, or if you don't have that, clip the $2 digital. So working with the $3.50 digital, it will drop you down to $24.49. So you will pay that, but then get back a total of $14 in Walgreens cash, making the final cost just $10.49. Now I'm actually going to take advantage of this deal. I'm going to get some the easy ups, but then I'm also going to pair in a paper spend 25 get back 7 booster. So I'm going to get back a total of $21, making the final cost just $3.49 for one of these cases. I'm going to head up to the register and I'll be back with the receipt. All right, guys, so here's the receipt. Now everything went as planned except for my $3.50 digital did not come off, so I did pay a little more. I paid $27.99, but you can see where it says earn this visit, I did get back $21 in Walgreens cash, and then I just contact customer service and they just credit me my $3.50, so it made the final cost still the same at just $3.49 for a case of pull-ups, which I think is fantastic. Again, you can go with diapers if you need it. Now for my next transaction, I'm going to pick up some Colgate toothpaste. My store is not tagged, but they are on a promotion where you buy 2, you get back a $3 risk reward. So going with the ones on sale for $3.99, I'm going to pick up 2 of them. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital. So I would pay $3.98, get back that $3 risk reward, makes them 98 cents or just 49 cents each. So let me pick these up and put them in my cart. Next, I'm going to pick up some Tresemme. So it's a repeat deal. They are on sale for $6. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 risk reward. We also have a 4 off of 2 digital. So you would pay $8, get back that $5 risk reward, and make some $3 or just $1.50 each. And then last but not least, it's just a filler item. I'm going to go with the Febreze plug on sale for $2.49, and I still have a $2.50 digital on this account, making it just $2.99. Alright guys, so before coupons, this total comes out to $25.47. Now the reason why I'm even doing this transaction is because I have a monthly booster. Remember, I always tell y'all to clip those monthly boosters. But for on this account, I have a monthly booster that when you make 4 purchases spending $15 or more, you will receive $8 in Walgreens cash. This is my 4th purchase, so I will get back $8 in Walgreens cash. And I am at least $10 above the $15 amount, because I want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, and y'all know Walgreens cash does not count towards spend deals. So $25.47. I have 3 digitals, which will drop me down to $14.97, but I'm going to get back the $5 risk reward, the $3 risk reward, as well as the $8 in Walgreens cash for completing a monthly booster, making the final cost free plus a $1.03 moneymaker. Now I'm not paying $14.97 out of pocket. I'm going to use $10 in Walgreens cash and just pay the $4.97 plus tax, still getting all my rewards. So let's head to the register and I'll be back with my receipt. So this transaction was almost perfect. The only issue was the Colgate was ringing up $4.50 instead of $3.99. So that did make my cost $1 more. But everything else did ring up correctly. All of my coupons applied. It dropped down to $15.99. You can see I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I did get back my $8 in Walgreens cash for the monthly booster, as well as I did get back both of my risk rewards. So I got back the 5 and the 3. So instead of it being a $1 moneymaker, it just came out free, but I'm okay with free. Now let's get into some laundry deals, because there are quite a few laundry deals happening this week at Walgreens that you can use Walgreens cash to pay. So the first one's going to be on P&G items. Now they've been on sale for $5.49 for quite some time, but this week when you buy 4, you get back a $5 risk reward. Now I don't think we received any new digitals, but if you haven't used the digitals that they gave us for this month, definitely go through them, see which ones you have. There's some for Tide, Gain. We have dollar coupons for Downy, but let me show you one way to take advantage of this deal. So one way to take advantage of this deal would be to pick up 2 Tide products, and then honestly the other 2 items, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you got a dollar digital for those. 4 products will total out to $21.96. There's 2 $1.50 digitals for the Tide, and then for the other products we have dollar digitals. So there's $5 in savings, which will drop you down to $16.96, getting back a $5 risk reward, making them $11.96 or just $2.99 each, which is a very, very nice deal. The next laundry deal is going to be on Purex detergent. They are on sale for $3.99 or 2 for $7. So if you go with 2, you can go with the packs or the liquid detergent. It makes them $3.50 each, no coupons needed. Snuggle is also on sale for $3.99, but when you buy 2, you will get back $2 risk reward. We also have a dollar digital, so you pick 2 up, use that dollar digital, it'll drop you down to $6.98. Then you're going to get back the $2 rush reward and making them $4.98 for both, or just $2.49 each. And then my favorite laundry deal of the week is going to be on the Arm & Hammer. They are on sale for $1.99, no coupons needed. This is the lowest we get for Arm & Hammer, so if this is your detergent, definitely pick some up. So that includes the packs, the scent boosters, as well as the liquid detergent. So use Walgreens cash, rush rewards, whatever you need to lower your out-of-pocket. The Gain Easy Squeeze are on sale for $1.99, buy two, get back $1 rush reward. We also have a 50-cent digital, so it makes them $2.48 or just $1.24 each. And then the small bottles of the Dawn dish liquid are also a part of that same promotion. They are on sale for $1.24. So after the $1 rush reward, it makes them $1.48 or just 74 cents each. Now, since they are a part of the same promotion, they must be done in separate transactions to get the $1 rush reward for each one. So here's everything I'm getting for my next transaction. Now, I don't have any of those P&G coupons because I've already used them. So this will total out to $27.93, but luckily I do have some rush rewards from the previous transaction that I'm going to throw in. So I'm going to use this $3 and the $5 rush reward, which will drop me down to $19.93, and then including tax, that will knock me over $20. So I'm going to use the $20 in Walgreens cash, leaving me to pay just the remainder of the tax. And I'm still going to get back my $5 and my $1 rush reward for doing both of the P&G and the Gain deals. So let me head up to the register, check out, and then I'll be back with the receipt. So even though I don't have the digitals, out of pocket is still going to be low for me. Here is this transaction. It went really well. Everything rang up at the $5.49 sale price. And then we have the Arm & Hammer and the Gain Easy Squeeze at $1.99 each. So the Colgate rush reward, even though it said manufacturer, looks like it is a store rush reward, so be careful. And then we have the $5 rush reward as well as that 50-cent digital. Drop down to $19.43. And I used $20 in Walgreens cash, and I got back my $5 and my $1 rush reward. So I paid just the tax, which came out like $1.20, which I am completely okay with. So we're gonna do another transaction using these rush rewards. Now there are some more deals that I want to mention, some being a couple of fuel deals. The first one is gonna be on the Coke and Dr. Pepper products, the 12 packs. They are on sale 3 for $13.99. So if you need some for the holidays coming up, definitely pick up some. Cheeses are BOGO at $4.29, so you can pick some up. And it's not just the small boxes that are included. The bigger boxes are also included, and they are priced at $9.49 down here, as well as the ones that are in the bags. DiGiorno pizzas are on sale for $6.99 this week. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital, so you can pick up 2 of them for just $10.98, which isn't bad. Of course, use Walgreens cash rush rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket. Blue Diamond almonds are also BOGO at $6.49. So if you need some or you like these, definitely pick some up this week. As well as the Pringles, they are also BOGO at just $3.49 each. And then the last deals I want to mention before my last transaction is going to be some Walgreens items that are on sale for $1.99. So the first one is the Complete Home trash bags. Again, they are $1.99, no coupons needed. Another deal is on the Walgreens 4-count Mega Roll toilet paper. They are also $1.99, no coupons needed. And then the last deal that's $1.99 is on the Complete Home baggies. So the storage bags, they're usually buy one, get 2 free, but they are $1.99. So if you are in need, that's not a terrible deal to do. So I finished up this haul with 2 different transactions. So the first one is on the Crest and Oral-B. So a repeat of last week. They are on sale and promotion, and when you buy 3, you get back a $5 rush reward. So the cheaper items will be the ones priced at $3. So I've already used the digitals last week for the Oral-B. So I was going to use the ones for the Crest. There's a 2 off of 1 and a $1 digital. But my store only had 1 of the $3 toothpaste. So I still picked it up and picked up 2 of the Oral-B. So it priced at $9 and only had $1 digital. So here is that transaction. But then I threw in the $5 and the $1 rush reward from the transaction before this, which dropped it down to $2. And then I just used $2 in Walgreens cash. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket for this, just the change, which was literally like a couple of cents. So I still got back my $5 rush reward that I then used for this transaction, picking up 3 of the Arm & Hammers, again priced at $1.99. So 3 of them totaled out to $5.97. After that $5 rush reward, it dropped down to 97 cents. And then I used $1 in Walgreens cash. Just paid the tax, again, just some pennies. So I wanted to tell you that I just did these 2 transactions. Alright guys, so here is a recap of my haul for today. I'm really satisfied. I got a lot of household items. And y'all know I like to finish it up with final numbers, out-of-pocket costs, all of that. So today my final costs and out-of-pocket numbers, they're the same. So this cost me $34. $33.98 or 99 to be exact. So that is $34, which is amazing when you think about it, because that's the price of the Easy Ups. The Easy Ups was $33.99. So to be able to get the Easy Ups plus everything you see for the price of the Easy Ups, I'm satisfied. Let me know which one is your favorite deal. Even if it's a deal I didn't mention, as always, sharing is caring. So drop it down below and let other people know what deal is out there that we can score. I love y'all. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, joining the family, as well as hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And then if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.